In today's video, we're going to be talking about why you should be cleansing and saging your debit and credit cards and how to do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so today we're going to be talking all about our debit and credit cards, how to cleanse them, and why you should be cleansing them more often than you think. So don't worry, this is not a real card. This is one of those ones you get in junk mail, and that's kind of what inspired me to do this video. I do want to talk to you guys about how important it is to cleanse and sage the energy of your debit card, your credit card. The reason why is because your bank account number is on here, and this bank account number is what is sending out and receiving money, the money energy, your abundance energy, wealth, prosperity. That whole energy is sitting inside of this account, right? So can you imagine how many times in 1 week we are interacting with other people and companies and banks, bills that are using this account number, that are touching our card beside us. There's so many other energies besides ours that gets onto our debit and credit card. That's why I sage or smudge mine as often as I can. And if you don't have sage, you can use incense. But I like to use sage because it is the most powerful in my opinion, and it gets the job done, and you really feel it. You feel that just, I don't know, like this heavy energy sometimes when you touch your card or when you hold onto your card, just because of so many other hands that have touched it when you are going to the store. Another reason you want to be saging and cleansing your cards is because sometimes people can get jealous of the things you buy, the things you have, how much money you make. They can just get jealous of your financial status, whatever that may be. So you do want to just cleanse your card so that you are cleansing your account and your card, your money energy, just to get rid of evil eye from others. Another reason that it's so important to cleanse your debit cards, your credit cards, is because your account number is on here. So a huge portion of your money is very much associated with this number. So when you cleanse your card, what you're doing is clearing away obstacles, blocks, evil eye, negative energy that have to do with this number that is holding on to so much of your money. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to sage and cleanse your debit card. So what you're gonna do is take your debit card. This is not real. This is a fake one that comes in junk mail, like I said. And what you wanna do is basically just light your sage. You can use incense, but I just think sage is so powerful in cleansing away any bad energies, like any and every bad energy. It's really good. So if you guys are interested in sage bundles like this one, I do have some up in my Etsy shop. You don't need an abalone shell, but abalone shells actually enhance the energy of whatever ritual that you're doing. And it's just very magical and beautiful energy. You don't need it though. You can just use any fire safe dish. Now that I have my sage lit, I'm just gonna take my card and run it over the smoke, making sure that the smoke touches like every little corner of my card, both the back and the front. Now, remember, your name is on here as well as your account number. So you do want to cleanse the energies associated with your name when it comes to money, and the energies associated with your bank account and everybody that has touched your card. Basically just cleansing away any stagnant negative energies, any blocks that are in your way. Now you can also say affirmations while you're doing this. You can say, I'm cleansing my card. I invite lots of money into my card. I am abundant. I'm a money magnet. This account number is increasing in size every single day. I'm so grateful that this account number is so full of money. Like whatever affirmations you want to say. And that's basically it. Your card is now cleansed and charged and prepped, and you can put it back in your wallet and you're good to go. This is probably a super quick video, but I did want to do this video for a while and let you guys know how important it is to cleanse and get rid of the negative and stagnant energies, the blocks. And a very easy way to do that is using your debit card or your credit card. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.